Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today we are here to make a smudge spray that is very good for removal of negative energy or any kind of negativity you feel around your house or office. Step 1, before we start, you need to make sure that you smudge your workplace with either sage or any incense you have. We need to cleanse everything that you're using for this spray, because we are going to make a spray to remove negativity. So we need to make sure that all the things that we are using is free for any kind of negativity. So I'm going to go ahead and take this bottle, the spray bottle that I have. I empty one, smudged, cleaned properly one, and the herbs that I'm going to use in my spray are dried rose petals, dried lavender flowers, Himalaya pink salt. You can use Dead Sea salt, or you can use sea salt. Like I told you, dried sage, and I had some fresh peppermint, so I'm going to use fresh peppermint. You can use fresh herbs if you get fresh herbs and boil them in water, like I'm going to do with these herbs. It'll be good if you use fresh herbs, but sometimes it gets very difficult to get fresh herbs, and these are easily available on Amazon or online, so you can find them very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and use all these things. I'm going to put this in my water. The water that I'm going to use today is moon water, the water that I have charged under the full moonlight, under the moonlight on full moon. So that water I'm going to use. I'm going to boil all these ingredients in the water and let it come to a boil. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and make the water mixture. This is my moon water that I had collected. I had charged my water during full moon. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this water in there. I'm going to add, this is pink salt, this is dry sage, lavender flowers, these are dried ones. I had some fresh peppermint, so if you don't have fresh peppermint, you can use dried peppermint too. And these are my rose petals, those are also dried rose petals. And now I'm just going to let this boil. Go ahead and take this from here. I'm going to stir it a little and just bring it to one boil. You can just bring this to a one boil. So let it boil. You can see now the water has started boiling. I'll show you the clear picture of it, if you can see it. I'm going to switch off the gas now, and I'll go ahead and let the water cool down, and then I'm going to strain it. After we have cooled the water and strained it, it becomes like this in color. Now with this water, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some essential oils. Essential oil that I'm going to use is frankincense. Frankincense is very good oil for removing negativity, so you can use in your smudge spray or incenses or any kind of dhoop you do. It's very powerful for removing negativity. The other oil that we are going to use is musk, because I like the smell of musk. So when you spray it, it's going to give you that nice smell of musk. If you don't have musk, you can either use sandalwood, or if you like the smell of rose or lavender, you can use the essential lavender oil also. Then I'm going to go ahead and use cedarwood. Cedarwood is a little very strong smell. The essential oil has a little strong smell, so just add a little bit of it. I'm going to show you how to add the thing. And this, I'm just going to add rose hip seed oil. They say that when you add this oil, the rancid smell that comes after some days would not be there in your oil you are making, or smudge water or smudge spray that you are making. Also, I would suggest, if you're using fresh herbs in this, to store this water in your refrigerator so that it doesn't smell bad after some days, or make it fresh every time and use it off. Some people do prefer adding some kind of alcohol to it too, but I have not added it. I might either refrigerate it or use it in couple of days. So to this I'm going to go ahead and add my frankincense oil. Okay, just 2-3 drops of it. My musk, cedarwood, just couple of drops of cedarwood, because it's a very strong essential oil. I usually also put, it depends on what my intuition says or the feelings I have, but usually I try to put black tourmaline beads to my spray bottle when I am filling my bottle, or when I'm making this smudge spray for negativity. And I also like adding black pepper, the whole one. Please don't use the powder form of black pepper, as it will spoil your spray bottle. I have tried it and was not successful, as the small particles from that pepper goes and spoils the spray. So this is your basically the spray that is ready for any kind of negativity or any kind of problems you are facing at your home or office due to negativity. You can spray at that area, or whenever you're working or something and you feel that there's a lot of heaviness, and you are you feel that heaviness on your head and shoulders and everything, and you feel that something is not right, you can always cleanse your office place or rooms, or wherever you feel that energy with this spray. So that's it. And it's okay if you don't have any one of this. It's okay to go ahead, and I would prefer you at least have the salt, the sage if possible, and the frankincense oil to make the spray, because that is very, very essential for removing negativity. Also make sure you, like I told you, I'm using musk. You can always use rose oil if you have, or lavender oil, or any kind of smell that you like. So you can substitute the musk with any other fragrance you like. Even sandalwood you can use for this. So that's it, our spray is ready to go, and it smells really nice, and this will surely work for removing any heaviness or negativity around you. So that's it for now. I hope you got this procedure right, and please do try making it yourself, and please leave a feedback on this page. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe my page. We are on Instagram and Facebook also. The link will be given in the description below. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon again.